Let's be real for a second. Making friends as an adult can be hard. It's like the older we get, the fewer people are sliding into our DMs asking if we want to hang out, right? If you've ever felt like your social life is more ghosted than buzzing, you're not alone. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make friends in the simplest way possible. No weird tricks, no cringy how-to books. Just straight up, real advice that actually works. Put yourself out there. Yeah, I know. Sounds like out of moment, right? But hear me out. We're all like Instagram filters these days. We hide behind them, showing only our best sides. But forget that the real connections happen when we take those filters off. Let's be honest. We've all tried to impress someone only to realize we're acting like a version of ourselves that doesn't even exist. The trick to making real friends is just being you. No script, no overthinking. Think about it. You didn't make your best friend by pretending to be someone else, right? So stop with the perfection act. Just go out and be yourself. And if people vibe with that, you've got a solid foundation. Be genuinely interested in others. If you've ever been stuck at a party talking to someone who won't stop talking about themselves, yikes, right? It's not fun. Now imagine being the person who asks the right questions and actually listens. That's the secret to being liked. When you ask people about their passions, whether it's a favorite TV show, a hobby, or what they're obsessed with, boom, connection. And here's a bonus tip. People love to talk about themselves, so let them. Just listen and engage. It's like winning the social lottery. Don't be afraid to invite people out. I know this one can feel awkward, but seriously, how many times have you scrolled through your feed and thought, I wish I had plans tonight? If you've got a free evening or an event coming up, why not invite a coworker or a classmate? Even if you're just going to grab coffee or check out that new pizza place in town, a simple invite can kickstart a real connection. It's not about throwing a huge party. It's just about making an effort. Worst case scenario, you spend an hour having an awkward conversation. But hey, you learn something new about someone. Quality over quantity. It's tempting to think you need a huge friend group to feel socially fulfilled. But here's the thing. Having a couple of close, meaningful friendships beats 50 people you barely know. Seriously, think about your best friend. Is it someone you've known for years or someone who's always there for you? Making friends is less about collecting people like Pokemon cards and more about finding people who really get you. Be patient and don't force it. Not every interaction is going to lead to a lifelong friendship. It's like dating. Sometimes the chemistry is there right away. Sometimes it's more of a slow burn. Trust the process. Keep putting yourself out there. Keep meeting new people. And eventually, you'll find the ones who really click. And if it doesn't happen overnight, that's okay. Real connections take time. Choose the right people. Not all friends are good friends, and not all people deserve to be close to you. Some people don't truly want what's best for you, and instead are preying on your downfall. That's why it's super important to make sure you choose your friends wisely. Make sure your friends are positive and want what's best for you. Ensure they're not jealous either. Jealousy is only going to lead to problems for you down the road. Ask me how I know. Embrace being alone. Now, I know this sounds counterintuitive, right? I'm telling you that making friends is easy, but now I'm telling you to also embrace being alone? Well, the thing is, being in need of friends and desperate is only going to either get you subpar friends or ruin the potential of making good friends because you come off desperate and frankly strange. Remember, you want to appear as if you're fine as is and don't desperately need a new friend. You want your new friendships to happen more organically and not feel forced. This is how you build long-lasting, high-quality friendships rather than the drunk old dude at the bar. So there you have it. Making friends isn't about being perfect. It's about being real, interested, and patient. And just like that, you're not only going to make friends, you're going to make meaningful connections that last. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who could use a little social boost, and hit subscribe for more tips. And hey, if you have any advice for making friends, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.